Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Hey. Yeah. What they do. TJ Too Smooth, Trader One. Hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the channel. And it's TJ Too Smooth, Trader One. Yeah, sure. Next. I'm next like, yeah. Rolling in a Cadillac, bitch, call me like daddy. Bitch, I'm smooth like cat daddy. Treasure One. I'm my baby, I'm my baby, I'm my baby. Yeah. Yes, sir, man. What they do? It's your boy TJ Too Smooth, Treasure One. We out here, man. Dania Beach. I'm with my dog King. We about to hop on this boat. Have a grand old time, man. Y'all gonna love this shit. Y'all gonna love the views and the vibes. Good music, good drink. See what has been provided by the good brother girl. And we got another one on the way. I got a couple of them in the bag actually, so I'll see y'all when we get on the boat. I've been patient, I've been, yeah. I've been waiting, I've been, yeah. In the state that I'm in. Florida, baby, sorta made me wanna spend more time. The more you make me correlate, the clock spin. Jet skis, hop on and don't debate me. Call the wave, vibe with it, check the time. Only been 5 minutes. Grab the waist, ride with it. Trade your one, trade songs, dive in it. Give me a kiss, I want all that from my missus. And tell the truth, I ain't too far from getting too drunk in them hallways with my niggas. And then I stumble home to you. Stand it to no other man will do what I'm prepared to do, yeah. Cause I was there for you when they was scared of you. And I don't feel, cause girl, I was here for that year we spent in them trenches. Gunshots over fences, police is checking them windows. Tell me, do you remember burning pine in December? That was the coldest winter. I thought I found me a winner. Whoa, whoa. I told my baby she beautiful. Telling her, baby, you beautiful. Your whole body on. Yeah. All of my bitches got pretty faces, and she just let me hit. She a cute Jamaican. In the mirror I see greatness in the making. In the mirror I see real, I'm never faking. And she just let me hit. Yeah, I need percussion. I just hit me a lick, I don't know you nothing. Getting kinky, she know that I'm into that. Tweety Berg, yeah, I told me a putty tag. I might pick me a bitch like I'm Pootie Tang. Million Berg, nigga. I'm on my way, nigga. She said that she want me, I know that she need me. She said that she love me, she never gon' leave me. The booty is fat and the pussy is juicy. I know she been eating and pimping ain't easy. All in, I don't play with these niggas. Again, hands itching and I'm itching to win. Told my girl to be ready by 9. We got dinner reservations at 10. She my dessert and I'm gripping her throat, and she pick up my shirt and my dick in her tummy. Niggas hating, but the hating is funny. Fuck them all, nigga, get to the money. And I might not answer that call, cause you gotta crawl for you ball. Fuck a pair of rum behind the mall. It's a pandemic and I'm all in the mall. I bought the bass and then I got it installed. Your man tripping, tell him try not to fall. Your ex tripping, tell him try not to call. We shitting on him and we not installed. 95 north, 95 south. I've been taking trips both ways. Insured like a copay. If you work more, you get more pay. Nigga, know your worth. Nigga, go berserk. Nigga, all work. Nigga, no play. Heart cold like a snow day. If you wanna leave, have it your way, baby. All of my bitches got pretty faces, and she just let me hit. She a cute Jamaican. In the mirror, I see greatness in the making. In the mirror, I see real, I'm never faking. And she just let me hit. Yeah, I need percussion. I just hit me a lick, I don't know you nothing. Getting kinky, she know that I'm into that. Tweety Berg, yeah, I told me a putty tag. I might pick me a bitch like I'm Pootie Tang. I see you getting rich, nigga, do your thing. You had money, I didn't, you called it lame. I got money, so now I treat you the same. When I'm on a mission and it's well planned. Fear of God on me, yeah, man. Run it up like 12 bands. Hey.
Hey! Yeah. Up them balls on Berg.
I just be showing niggas love. I notice when they show it back. If I wanna get to the,
You supposed to let me know you was gonna jump, bro.
I gotta go and get it like now. Yeah, I gotta seize the day. New the whip with the wrist, ayy. Bad bitch, big tits, ayy. I gotta go and get it right now, man. I gotta seize the day.
Yeah, I ain't living right. It's a PG voice promotion.
I've been bit like I said before. I trap with my money, oh. Drop that sock, get a reload. That's all made in Jerry, oh. Let the noise back to selling more. If you pay so much tuition, oh. Who you gonna stop, oh?
DM, I ain't talking no emojis in the DM. Bitch, I'm talking selling out shows, selling out arenas, selling out the Coliseum. Me and my niggas got goals, yeah. Me and my niggas got chemistry. I'm tryna run it up with all my dogs and be the biggest in the industry. Treasure one, check it out now. I just be showing niggas love. I notice when they show it back. If I wanna get to the facts, I gotta put this on my back. Yeah, I gotta carry the pack. Yeah, I gotta lead the way. I gotta go and get it like now. Yeah, I gotta seize the day. New the whip with the wrist, ayy. Bad bitch, big tits, ayy. I gotta go and get it right now, man. I gotta seize the day. Yeah. I gotta seize the day. Yeah. I gotta seize the day. Go get her, ayy, won't talk, I'ma show niggas, ayy, I stay down 10 toes, nigga, ayy, about time niggas know us, ayy, my time nigga glow up, ayy, time bomb nigga blow up, ayy, I'm still a hound nigga foes up, a nigga built to last, I'm about to build the pad, I'm with this pen and pad, I got the gift of gab, and all my bitches bad, they got expensive taste, cause when they give me face, they got a gift of waste, and that's a Hermes belt, you feel to hit the base, you better strap your belt and put your
They know the bottle, bro. They know the bottle.
Treasure one.
I'm rocking with everything you're doing on the ground. Hey, so, I see you going vegan. That shit dope, bro. That shit dope. Hey, when the next tape drop? Yeah, hey. This shit crazy. Hey, bro, don't let nobody tell you different, bro. You a fucking legend. You a legend. South Florida legend, bro. Oh, God. Berg, nigga. I'm on my way. I need a blue dolphin and I'm in my high. Yes, sir. I feel you, Berg, nigga.
You gotta be serious. You gotta be.
Treasure one. Look.
Get the way up there. What's going on?
Talk to me.
Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna jump. And I'm gonna get over there. Ready?
Yo. Live, man.
My homies tell me I'm tripping. Swear I ain't been falling. Can't lie, I miss you. My pride is an issue. Always crying, get a tissue.
Don't cry, girl, just ride, girl. I hope you look the same when I see you again. Don't know nothing about it. Do between me and you. Hey, bounce for me, shake for me. Don't cheat. Wait for me. Tell me, can you do it every day?
It's the man that gotta get his own. Hey, 954-812-7124 or
954-812-7124. He'll take you out here every weekend. He ready?
See, call me anytime that you need it. Anytime, baby. Call me anytime that you need it. Anytime, baby. Call me anytime that you need it.
This is my song for real, no doubt.
What they do, TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. We out here, man, on a damn sandbar. I'm with Taylor, and I'm with what's your name? April. Follow Taylor, right?
Tay_Mac.
I should know her name. I'm gonna put it right here. What's yours?
Shadow Faces.
And Shadow Faces, right here. Y'all have any businesses, anything like that you want to plug? Nothing? Okay. It's her birthday though, so everybody put happy birthday in the comments. Go follow her and tell her Trey sent you. Yes, sir.
Where's dolphins over there? They are not captains. Damn, that's crazy. I gotta see it again. Watch your hand. Oh shit.
Watch your hand, motherfucker.
Damn, motherfucker.
Hold on.
I'm out. I'm gone. Alright, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, listen, man. If I don't get a chance, TJ Too Smooth Treasure One, man. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with somebody who needs to see it, man. It's your boy TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. We had a great time. We out here. If y'all boys trying to come out here to the damn sandbar, hit up my dog. I already gave you the number. The number's right here on the screen. Subscribe to the channel, man. TJ Too Smooth Treasure One. Add me on Instagram. Be gone.